In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Massachusetts Institute of Technology. If you're planning to apply to MIT as a first-year undergraduate student, the most important thing to know is that you do not apply through a general college application platform. Instead, you need to go directly to the official MIT admissions website and use the MIT first-year application portal. Starting in the right place matters because this is where you'll find the correct application, official requirements, and the most current deadlines and instructions. Once you're on the MIT application page, take a little time to review what MIT requires before you begin submitting anything. MIT's process is specific, and it includes several key components that work together to give the admissions team a full picture of who you are academically and personally. One major part of the application is standardized testing. MIT requires either the SAT or the ACT, so you'll need to plan ahead and make sure your scores are ready to send. Competitive applicants often have very strong scores, and while a high score does not guarantee admission, it does help show academic readiness for MIT's rigorous environment. Be sure to check the official admissions page for the latest testing policies and score submission details. Another important section is the written portion of the application. Rather than asking for a traditional, long personal essay through a shared platform, MIT uses its own short answer questions. These responses are your opportunity to show your personality, interests, values, and the way you think. You'll usually be answering several prompts, often around 250 words each, so it helps to be clear, specific, and genuine. Focus on giving honest examples that reflect how you approach learning, challenges, and your goals. You'll also need letters of recommendation. MIT asks for 2 teacher recommendations, one from a math or science teacher, and one from a humanities, social science, or language teacher. This combination helps the admissions office understand your strengths across different subjects. It's a good idea to request these early so your teachers have enough time to write thoughtful letters. In addition, MIT requires your official high school transcript and a secondary school report completed by your school counselor. These documents provide your academic record and school context, so make sure your school knows where and when to send them. As you work through the process, stay organized and double-check every requirement inside the MIT portal. Following the official admissions page carefully will help you avoid mistakes and keep your application complete.